Hello and welcome to the part 2 of 7 amazing qualities of a good leader and an entrepreneur. So, here, number 4, as I've already given you the top 3, which talks about absolute most important thing which I believe is empowerment of others. Yes, you need to learn as a good leader to empower others. If you only want to be the king of the jungle and you want to be the person who's known and doing everything, it's always your name coming, you are not a successful leader because you're not duplicating what you're supposed to be doing. So learn to empower others. Learn to pass the baton and build as many leaders as possible, because the more the leadership you have is the more successful leader you are. And number 5, something which I think all of us really need to learn is to adapt. Adaptability. That means situation, circumstances, and anything that comes and hits you, you should learn to adapt. Like in COVID, we all learned to adapt through the Zoom. We were actually really scared. I think I was scared, vulnerable. But the moment we learned and we understood that this is here to stay for some time, we all adapted to the video calls, video meetings, working from home, and that what made life very easy and simple. And similarly, as a leader, you need to learn to adapt. The moment you're hit by a challenge, you need to understand what can I adapt and change and make life more easy for me, and make sure that in the same process, I'm achieving my targets, I'm achieving my goals, and I'm really, really hitting my dreams. Number, most important, 6. Oops, it's 6, not 7. There is one still left. And what is number 6? Number 6 is all about decisiveness. That means you need to be very strong in terms of taking decisions. I know it is very easy to say, it is very difficult to follow, and a lot of people feel, oh, is it the right decision? Am I doing it right? What if this decision goes wrong? It's okay. Even if you go wrong, you are a leader. Learn from your mistakes and grow up. Even if the decision does not take you to where you want to be, you can always learn and grow back from it. But it has to be your decision. And you need to learn to own whether the decision takes you towards the good end or the bad end. If it is good, it's beautiful. If it is bad, it's a learning. And now, coming to the final one, the last and the 7th most important quality of a leader and an entrepreneur is absolutely very, very simple, which I say and I feel is really, really about you, is a continuous learning. You need to update yourself. You need to really read a lot of books, go through a lot of things, learn knowledge, talk to people, have a good area of influence, and most important, be open here in your mind that you are still not there where you're supposed to be. So be open to learn, and as much as you're going to learn, as much as you're open to it, the more learnings will come your way, which will make you not only successful as a leader and entrepreneur, but will also make you very successful as a human. So these are the 7 qualities as per my experience, which has made me. I hope this is going to help you, and let me know if there is anything you feel can be added to the list.